Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This video will walk through how to add, rename, remove, and save whiteboards. Every iCollaborate room starts out with one whiteboard, which is in the middle of your screen here. To rename the whiteboard, simply click here and type. I'm going to go ahead and say Maxwell's Whiteboard 1. I click enter and the board is renamed. To add another whiteboard to this room, simply click the plus sign and another one will show up. You'll see how iCollaborate has a great feature where you can switch easily back and forth between two whiteboards. So you can have two different documents or pieces of material open easily while tutoring a student. To delete a whiteboard, click here. It will give you the option to make sure it wasn't a mistake because the action cannot be undone. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and the whiteboard will disappear. Please note that even if you delete the content of a whiteboard, the original file that you may have dropped and dragged onto that whiteboard to populate it will still remain in the files. Finally, to save a whiteboard, you come over here to the save icon, and it will give you the option to save the whiteboard. This will enable you to save it in the room files so it will be accessible by you and the student for the future. And you see there it is, saved in the room files and accessible by everyone participating. Thank you for joining us. We will see you in our next video.